Hello student, good morning. Uh, I hope you're fine. Today we have discussed about the lesson 19 aquatic plants. In previous online class we had explained the lesson 17 and you know that 18 cut due to reduce the syllabus. So today we have discussed about the lesson 19 aquatic plants. In this video we have discussed about the aquatic plants, but before that we have discussed about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First you see the homework. Hello student, as you know that in previous online class I have given homework learn exercise of lesson 17. I hope all of you learned exercise of lesson 17 in proper way. And in comment box, I request you in comment box you have write to homework. You have write to name, class and section for your attendance. Okay, lesson 19 aquatic plants. What do you mean by aquatic plants? You know that plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. The plant which have adapted to survive in the aquatic environment are called aquatic plants. Plants that adapted to survive in water environment are called aquatic plants. Identify the plants with the help of hints provided. Here description are provided. With the help of description we find out the answer. Okay, so first see this is one by one. First number, this aquatic plant has very big leaves. These aquatic plants has very big leaves and beautiful flowers It is often used and ornamental, as a ornamental, you know that jewelry plant. It is usually found in still or slowly moving water. These aquatic plants found in still or slowly moving water. Okay, and which aquatic plants? Water lily. Water lily. Now second number, this aquatic plant, also known as water dragon, is usually found in the marshy area. Marshy means daldali area. Marshy area of eastern North America. It has heart shaped leaves. Their leaves just like heart shaped, and its flower grow in a spike with a dropping tip. And which aquatic plants? Guess. Lizards, tail. Now third number, this aquatic plant has first discovered from the river Nile. You know that river Nile flow in the Africa continent, and most of the country covered by the river Nile. Its leaves can grow up to 40 centimeters. How many? 14 centimeters. And it has no stem. Without stem, their leaves grow up to 14 centimeters. This plant also serves as a good breeding ground for mosquitoes. In this they provide the safe place for breeding of mosquitoes. and answer is water lettuce. Water lettuce. Okay. Now next and fourth number, this plant is also known as water lenses. This aquatic plants also known as water lenses and is the smallest flower among aquatic plants. Means in aquatic plants, these aquatic plants have smallest flower. It is a tiny aquatic green plant that is commonly found in still or slowly moving water bodies, and answer is duckweed. Duckweed. Now fifth number, it is a free floating aquatic plant mostly found at the surface of rivers, ponds, canals, lakes, etc. You know that you have seen such type of plants in your surrounding area, in ponds, in rivers, and some may root in the soil of shallow water. It has broad and glossy. Glossy means smooth and shiny leaves and float on the surface of water. Some are floating on the surface of water, and answer is water hyacinth. Water hyacinth. So I repeat again. First, this aquatic plant has very big leaves and beautiful flowers. It is often used as an ornamental plant. It is usually found in still or slowly moving water, and answer is water lily. Second number, this aquatic plant, also known as water dragon, is usually found in the marshy areas of eastern North America. It has heart-shaped leaves and its flower grow in a spike with a dropping tip, and answer is lizard's tail. Third number, this aquatic plant was first discovered from the river Nile, and river Nile flow in Africa continents. Most of the African countries are covered with Niles. Its leaves can grow up to 14 centimeters, and it has a no stem. This plant also serves as a good breeding ground for mosquitoes, and answer is water lettuce. This plant is also known as water lenses and is the smallest flower among the aquatic plant. It is a tiny aquatic green plant that is commonly found in still or slowly moving water bodies, and answer is duckweed. And last, fifth number, it is a free floating aquatic plant mostly found in the surface of the rivers, ponds, canals, lakes, etc., and some may root in the soil of shallow water. It has broad and glossy means smooth and shiny leaves and float on the surface of water, and answer is water hyacinth. Here I give the information about this lesson, lesson 16, lesson 19, aquatic plants, and how to write this lesson. Here I give the in detailed idea how to write this lesson. You have write in this way. Answer the following questions. Question number, here 5 questions are given. One by one I here solving. First, which aquatic plant has very big leaves and beautiful flowers? Answer is water lily. Question number 2, which aquatic plant is also known as water dragon? and answer is lizard's tail. Now question number third, which aquatic plant leaves can grow up to 14 centimeters without stem? And answer is water lettuce, and this plant also known as pistia. And question number 4, which aquatic plant is also known as water lenses? And answer is duckweed. Question number 5, which aquatic plant has broad and glossy leaves and float on the surface of water? And answer is water hyacinth. Water hyacinth. You have right to this homework, this classwork in copy. I will send this lesson as a PDF file. You have to write this lesson in proper way and learn also. Now homework. Now all students, you have take a copy and pen. You have write to homework of lesson 19 aquatic plants. So homework is learn exercise of lesson 19, means you have learned question answer of lesson 19 in proper way. And I request you in comment box you have right to name, class and section for your attendance daily after watch video. When you complete the video, then you have right name, class and section for your attendance. Thank you. God bless you. Best of luck.